For the past several years, I have noticed that a lot of people are very interested in Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and of course the main reason is they want to make money, but they don't really know whether the market is going up or down, whether the value is going up or down with any cryptocurrencies. And when you go to get involved in cryptocurrencies, everything that you come across is just about buy some Bitcoin and put it in a wallet. Get a wallet and put some crypto in there, and then after you have bought it, then you can exchange it for some other currency, trade it, or whatever. I remember back in May 2021, I heard that my own cousin had bought a bunch of Dogecoin because that was the current trending thing, and a lot of people thought that they had a reason why that would become worth a lot more. So I think he bought like $30,000 worth of Dogecoin. I looked at the chart and could tell that it was right at a turning point where it was going to turn for a while, so that if I were going to even consider buying it, I would have bought it at the end of a correction when it's going to go up, not when it's going to go down. It makes a huge difference if you buy something and then for the next year it has dropped in value. And so as it turns out, you don't even have the original value that you paid for it in the first place, and you're waiting for it to come back to the value that you paid for it. So apparently when someone buys a particular cryptocurrency, it's because they have adopted a belief system. And the belief system is that they believe, for whatever reason, they may think that it's a scientific reason, but in a lot of ways it's very similar to a religious conversion reason. The person who influences people, or the group of people, or the culture that influences people, causes people to believe that the value of that cryptocurrency is going to be worth a lot more in the future. And so when you pay all this money to buy it, then you're hoping that it will not only maintain its value, but it will be worth a lot more in the future. Now, in my own experience, I believe that every cryptocurrency has a potential to become obsolete and be replaced. And we don't know whether or not any cryptocurrency might decrease in value or never be used again. So it makes me kind of sad to think of all the people who may have paid all of their savings, their lifetime savings, to invest in a cryptocurrency, and then we don't even know whether it will ever come back to the original value that they paid for it. Now, have you heard people talk about trading cryptocurrencies? Because that's what I'm more involved in, and that has nothing to do with adopting a belief system that a cryptocurrency will one day be worth a lot more. Trading cryptocurrency means that you can analyze the charts of that currency and tell whether it's going up or whether it's going down, and enter a trade that will get profit whether it's going up or whether it's going down. As you've seen in many of my previous videos, how there was a long period of time when all the trades that I entered on Bitcoin were shorts that got profit, while Bitcoin was continually going down for a long period of time. Because it doesn't matter to me whether it's going up or down, and I'm not personally committed to the belief that it's going to increase in value. Trading cryptocurrency or trading forex currency has nothing to do with whether you believe that a currency or cryptocurrency is going to be worth a lot more in the future. You don't have to have any personal commitment to this type of belief. Who cares which cryptocurrency might emerge as the winner and be the one that's adopted by the whole world to use, or whether none of them actually continue to be used far into the future, because now we can see that other companies can come up with different cryptocurrencies that might be better. And if one of them is better, then that's great. We can use that to buy and sell things. We won't be personally committed to believing that it has to be worth a lot in the future. When you trade cryptocurrencies, or when you trade forex currencies, you can identify a turning point and determine whether it's going up or down. Doesn't matter whether it's going up or down. It's an opportunity to make profit in either direction. Even with the US dollar, doesn't really matter whether the dollar is going up or down. If I enter a trade in the right direction, then I will make profit from that trade. And the funny thing is that the most effective way to determine which direction the market is going and whether it's turning is based on strategies that have been known since before cryptocurrency even existed, since before forex currencies were even available to trade on the retail market. If you'd like to know what actually works in trading cryptocurrencies and in forex, I'd invite you to join in our live daily trading sessions, where you can see exactly why I enter a trade and you can see for yourself that it works and be able to know for yourself what works. So you'll be able to see the reason for entering a trade. You'll be able to visually recognize it. And then after entering the trade, you can prove whether or not it works by whether you get profit when that trade gets to the exit point. So if you'd like to learn more, you can enroll in our free Forex trading program, and I'll see you there.